Oh, okay, hey gang, David Braun here, and that's the first thing I wanted to mention. Change my channel name again back to my name, David Braun, and do away with the Lawnmower Man. I don't think I ever tried to go any further making that business, so lot involved with that. So just do some fun videos. Try to stay on YouTube. Thinking seriously again about making a Patreon page. And another announcement, I was just going to try to start a PayPal account or do some other things I can do to make some arrangements, get some funding going on for projects, and any suggestions would be nice. Help out some way. Really like to get this off the ground, do some fun projects. Let me know what you think. This is what I'm doing, be doing today though. See that? Get this put on. That's the new slave cylinder for this truck, 96 Nissan D21, two-wheel drive regular cab. And easy to do. Just get out here and do it. Like everybody else try to do this and hold the camera too. But anyhow, yeah. Where that slave cylinder goes, got the right one. Don't know if I can. Can't can't make the light come on. Anyway. Yeah, down there on the side of the bell housing, can't quite see it this way. Anyhow, I'm going to put that on the next day or two here. Checking everything out while I'm here under the hood. My adapter for the water temperature gauge, aftermarket style, working good. But engine's running strong otherwise. I think I'm about to locate some new rocker arms for it. And got a leaky valve cover gasket again on this, so time to goop it up again. The last couple years or so. Anyhow, I'll let you go and talk to you later. Bye.